up long house. Long last 1 week, 2 weeks. Tam Cory talk on some Bangla make him listen some of them behind. Now me lose some confidence in the court system. Me lose some confidence in the Supreme Court. National Court me no lose some confidence. I'm strong me look him. But me look in the Supreme Court and me lose some confidence because National Court make him decision. Supreme Court you know got ask delay go. As to when the time you look at some Supreme Court will making further delay on all decision. Me don't from Pole when me send up and double all people block candidate. The representative Menga too. When them all law loving people of Papua New Guinea, me lose some confidence of Supreme Court. Long unnecessary, irrelevant, unwarranted, unjustified delay. Yes. Point number one, me make him. Point number two, our lawyers in the court. Our lawyers, while some duty, profession duty below you, look on represent him, client below you in court, you must also understand him, the merits of law that you, as an officer of the court, must administer for the court to adjudicate justice. But how am I looking for lawyers only representing clients? I'm completely abysmal. I'm substandard. Why? Because only unnecessarily causing more delay in the wasting time from Supreme Court too. Law is stop, but law is not under common sense. Now I'm not under just ways. Them lawyers want them Supreme Court judges only interpret them as the law. Almost not going to put them too much long on technical side. Not going to talk too much long grammar, comma, meaning from vocabulary. One in words, one in Islam, unnecessary time you look in justice. Justice is completely different. It is God given. And we stop long heart long every Papua New Guinean. Even the child that is born, even the woman that is awake, even those that people are disadvantaged. Just ways is always there. People are born with it. There's no one born without just ways. So me making the double observation, long prolonged delay and politicization, long court through the lawyers, long court system, me look him. It is destroying justice in Papua New Guinea. Time you lawyer look him also, it's like case and clear cut. You advise him, client, you know, talk about him. Sorry, I'm not going to represent you because law is about him. I cannot. That's your duty as an officer of the court. All lawyers. Me look him, look, case for me. Long two defendants, first respondent and second respondent. Only fail him. Their mandated duty as the officers of the court where only fail him talking court on him. This law appeal is unnecessary. Instead find him excuse of putting all cases go inside where this law is taking too long. Now court me find him or this law triple judge on the talk of him. All these points where all opponent blame only put him going inside only totally unjustified only dismiss it. True. Yeah. So we make him this a double observation. But in the first place, time only got him leave. The judicial review on court. The Chief Justice wanted Tim Longem should not have given any leave at all. Because they are unnecessary. Yes. But Sekrablan give him leave, you take him time. Now you make him decision now. You talk 1 month you make him. And now Christmas. Counting back on the next year. And 2021, 2022 elections. You see, you've lost utility in your decision. You have not solved justice. The unjust, injustice have become no candidate. You caught, fail on you, restore him justice. A decision done at the wrong time is no justice. Having established laws, grievances to the court, me don't pompole, me no sabe porat long, accuse him, or me point him also wrong, you go where wrong in his stuff. I'm busy whether you Supreme Court judge or whether you lawyer or whether you want him court, you must look survey. Justice is common sense. It's in the heart of every man, even you.
Yes.
Amen. No can make him court complicated. No can make him look at some hard. It's easy. People man no place and make him magistrate village court decision. Man Mary fight plus and make him decision. People try to fight plus and make him decision. Or claims to come together and all fight, people make him decision. Justice and God and give him people survey. Common sense will prevail. Man, I'm talking to you some more technical reason. Give him to the court here. But you make him publicly give up one plus sting country. So me,
yes.
While having said this, me point them also to talk about now. Me talk about them, me forgive him, you will. After establish the anomalous me look him, attitude me look him. So me no talk on another man to parade lo talk. Never begin to pray. All man got voice. All man got seeking justice along any area. You know election president that's all. Me don't polemic talk him. Me seasoned. I'm experienced. I've been there. I've known that. Me sabe. And me talk. And me like in voice we must go through long the court system, long legal fraternity. But then everybody that justice must prepare. So me talk this like clear.
Thank you.
Having said that, we forgive them all. I forgive them. We're only making the passing. All the school karangir, looking real good. Almost have the English, interpret them all. Witness clear. Me forgive them all. What the politics go inside of. No gato, me forgive them all. No problem. We welcome decision. Say, a man has to stand without fear of favor on what is true. You must identify the wrong and call it by its name. Once you don't do like that, darkness is cast over a land and people that suffer unnecessarily.
Amen.
That's it. We have the duty. That's why we talk the way we talk. But having said this, we forgive him over the line. We forgive him on Nablo line too. Manasi, my brother. No problem. System in Bagarabim now. All no country will boss good. Qualify him plus clear. No one calls him stop. Recount must come up long belly still pass it. Recount come up now. Me win. And now I'm true blama me win here. Blow me. Suppose Manasik sim again. Okay, but me blow so much Manasik you kiss him long start blow away. Only fair. Recount must come up now. Me I'm a much long core. I may give him 1 month. Before the 1st of February, the recount results must come before this court here.
Yes, yes.
He asked him first respondent, second respondent, no one gives him sleep rule application, he go. Unnecessary. He wasted enough time. Tell him, court not going to entertain him. Let him, Emma Scholar recount, let the people of Kandep only settle legally long. We said him leadership long up.
Yes.
At the moment, only stuff up and down. Up and down. I'm not talking about him also. Let me conclude, me talking about people. So thank you very much, Yubla. Yubla been faithful. Yubla been sent up steadfast, loyal, from me. The leadership me sent up long him. Me to thank you, Yubla. You know, Shem, you will land over there, land Blamita solo. Tropsman Blamita solo. No gate, you will over the Papua New Guinea. Land Blanc Islands here. Land Blanc, New Guinea Islands. We look in Papua. Or my master can pull up too long. Some of them is the case. Billigan Bisbula. Now, me to thank you very much. Long over the line, you give me support. Long way through you years, long the case. Me to come through 4 years. Now, me to talk about them. Bellissima is stuff. Celebration of beer. Me don't know. Celebration of alcoholism. No. All this ain't no person to leadership where me carry. Me not send up the person away. Be careful, I'm back. No. Me no send up the person who care about thinking but not the man of fight. No. Me send up the leadership where must true, humble, loving, caring, peaceful, and one that is happy. You agree?
Yes.
No one goes shoot in bed when I'm a man. I don't manasem brother like you me. Or another man or brother like you me too. You must not go cross Toto Karangi when I'm feeling belad lo yaw belong. No sing strong meaning you got wrong meaning. People said him Kega want them. You must stop together because you know the one black hundred people elaga. True agaman. Yeah. Politics must have him, what to make him decision, but people must get peace stop like you me. May let's look him kind person where you may happen down. Before Mr. talking people look candid. We said when I come to him, box below me dog finish stop chicken give me finish na starter.
Yes.
Me dog also can finish na starter block chicken finish now. You must have a person on belly. Forgiving, loving, kind. Now you must have location. Me let them go to candid bit of one can talk. Me lo ye me dribble one can. Me like him being also people make him also. What him negative something must do and come up like you me. You me snap, you long don't bomb poly. You me snap long person in me love, na happiness, na wisdom when me through. You agree?
Yes.
This is a person but 7 candid, 7 hanger, 7 papuning all together. You make that mix of feeling, foolishness, yaman, talk rangi, five long position, five long money, kind of bagaram and papuning. Me like him, you blow some of the blow me, stop long, good blow belly. You see, now we belong to count long, wabego, ageno, Goroko, where a level commissioner count him, and count him long fair and a true blow away. You agree? Yes.